Happy Valentine's Day to you all. I love you guys to the core. My subscribers, you guys are just so much. Yes, so we're on a road to 50,000 subscribers. I want to take this opportunity to thank you all for subscribing to this channel and also share our content with your friends and loved ones. Okay, guys, so welcome back to another episode of the Daily Entertainment Gossip Show right here on that TV. And as I always say, if you are new here and you have not subscribed to this channel, can you subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that anytime we upload new content, they will be the first to be notified. Yeah, so today's buzz we have Afia Schwar. Okay, yeah, so Afia Schwar today is celebrating her birthday and today marks her 39th birthday. So she's just 1 year away from 40 years. And on this day, she did one thing that really caught a lot of bloggers and also media personalities' attention. We all know the beef between Afia Schwar and Mzbel. Yeah, so today being her birthday, she actually buried the heart, and a lot of people are so excited about this. And one thing that she said was that the good books or the Bible says that as a Christian, okay, you should forgive if somebody wrongs you. You should forgive the person 70 times, 7 times. And this really shows you that Afia Schwar knows the Bible. Yeah, so she's saying that she has forgiven Mzbel for all the wrongdoings she has done, and today being the first day of another chapter of her life, she doesn't want to start today with a quarrel and all that. Therefore, she has forgiven Mzbel, and also she's willing to take Mzbel to church on Sunday, and that Mzbel should actually come and join Christ. But Mzbel, as you already know, Mzbel has said on countless occasions that she's not a Christian. For her, she believes in supreme, but she's not a Christian. Therefore, she's taking opportunity to invite Mzbel to join a Christian fellowship, and also she knows about the concern that Mzbel is going to deal about her, okay, with Father Dixon, okay, father of despite me and all that, and that if she doesn't want to start another beef with her, then you should also send her regards, okay, to Father, and also tell Father that she needs a new phone and tablets and all that. Guys, watch the video and don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below.
Bible see when you are your bonny a fetching 7 times 70. What's here? That's where the boy from Pono. When you mean you need ready. At the tray. Me mother, me na me Christoni. Me na me yes suffer. And say me must said ye. Send me true be at the Benjamin. No be when you are medo. Ne send to me your Mzbel. There would you be in a Jelena Mimo at the chow. Samis why will be beer. Fetch me. That today marks the beginning of a new day in my life, and semi Christonia dear nyame semi na mayen bra yesu mo de ya no di usika njo ma jojo bra nyame mu wate aha me do bibia che se me nua no me bom pae ama wate na se dia akofa da di me nkonkonsa na abona mane se me hia phone any tablet this is so for people my father has something why me sha ho. Yeah
guys, so you watch the video, and as you could see, Afia Schwar is serious about this, and it's so exciting, so refreshing that two ladies who have been at longer heads actually bearing the heart, and it's so good for the industry. I wish them all the best. I wish they could come back to how they were besties and were good friends some years back. Okay, all too soon we've come to the end of the Daily Entertainment Gossip Show right here on that TV. And as I always say, if you are new here and have not subscribed to this channel, can you subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so anytime we drop a new content, you'll be the first to be notified. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.